On a service call. (2019) Ream. Sweet. The wrong size gas line. It's almost impossible to do service calls when the sun's on this side, because you can't look in and you can't see a pilot light. I think we got it though. I think it just had a bad clicker. But the LED appears to be out. So I heard the valve click over. No blue light. Hopefully you guys can see up in there. So he said he thought it didn't have any spark. So the first thing I did was use a different clicker. That seemed to be it, but there's no LED. We don't care about that. So that's it. So I will change out the igniter, shut it down, change out the igniter, and restart it and make some fast money. Appreciate you watching. So he thought it didn't have any spark. 9 times out of 10 it could just be the Pizio igniter. So I carry backup ones with me. And he was probably waiting for a blue light that he never got because the LED's burned out. At least I can't see it. It could be there. But yeah. Quick video. Appreciate you watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. I do service calls, water heater installations. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.